First create duplicate layer, Ctrl plus J, CMD plus J. Change the blend mode, multiply. Change layer name. Again change blend mode, multiply. Change layer name. Opacity 50%. Select first layer and change blend mode, screen. Again change layer name. Double-click to open blending option. Press hold the Alt key. Moving slider. Go to select choose subject.
So on in press hold Ctrl plus space key left mouse button.
Hold Shift key. Add mask. Select mask thumbnail. Hold the Ctrl key selection. Add mask. Again hold the Ctrl key selection. Add mask. Select zoom tool and fit on screen. Again change opacity. Select all layer. Create group layer, Ctrl plus G, group layer change name. Before and after.